Welcome to Fashion Reel Channel. As always, this your place, all things fashion. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do so. Here are 5 outfit combinations incorporating various styles of bodycon dresses that you should definitely consider for your next outing. Number 1. Stay fresh in a mini dress. You can't go wrong with a calmy little dress for an effortlessly elegant appearance. It's ideal for summer, especially if you go for a light shade like sage green. Two, keep it fresh with cutouts. This sensual cutout dress would be ideal for a date night outfit. It reveals just enough skin while giving you the hourglass form of your desires. Number 3. You can never go with a black and white look. Pair a black bodycon dress with white shoes and a matching white headband for a professional streetwear outfit. Number 4. Mix up your look with a structured blazer and playful sneakers. And lastly, experiment with prints. Although printing can be intimidating, it's good to branch out every now and again.